I hate rain. I hate rain. I don't like it if it's like multiple days in a row, but when it's been really hot and humid, I just don't like it. Ow, my neck. My neck. I'm gonna melt. Cause I'm made of sugar. Please. Hey! Please don't be slippery. Oh. It's right there. Oh! Sorry. Hi, how are you? Good.
So the problem is this washing machine thing.
Yeah.
When she's washing clothes.
Yeah.
It's like every 3 weeks we got to put Drano in there.
Okay.
Because it spits water all over the place. So what it is because I've opened this wall before. It's 2 inches. The drain pipe.
Okay.
Goes into a 2-inch trap, but then it gets reduced to copper pipe to 1.5 inches, and you can see it over here.
Are these washers newer than the ones that? How old are they?
How old do you think that? 5?
Has it been happening since you guys got that washer?
No, even with the other washer, right? He used to do it, right?
Yes.
Yeah, he used to do it with the other.
It reduces down.
Yeah, so that's the copper pipe right there. See that one right here?
So I can try to snake it, no problem. I'll have to use the small red machine, so I'll have to bring that down. So what we usually get for a washing machine drain line is $195. But I can definitely snake it and hopefully get it done pretty quick for you.
You want to try that, right?
What?
Snaking it.
Right.
Now, is that the one that does the cutting or whatever? It goes.
That's the cutters are the bigger for the bigger pipes,
Okay.
for the 3-inch or 4-inch pipes.
Oh, okay.
But as far as just the regular snaking, it doesn't have a bulb or anything on the end of it. It's just a straight snake, but it's a power snake, so it's plugged in and I have to feed it through.
Yeah.
So it has a motor and everything, and it spins at a high rate of speed so that we can.
Now, are you able to tell if there's?
Yeah, you'd be able to tell if you're feeling it. I'm gonna try to run water through there at the same time that I'm snaking, so that way there I know for a fact it's draining okay. So.
Okay. Yeah.
She's hungry.
Yeah. Let's do it.
Alrighty. I have to run it anyway. Be able to reach that pause button when that stops.
No.
Huh?
Maybe.
Yeah, I can reach. Right. The only thing that's going to be spinning is this part, anyways. So you should be fine.
My friend tried to tell me he was smarter than me. I proved him wrong.
feel that the bigger, right towards the end of that. Do you know what I mean?
No.
Where the copper goes into the smaller cast, feel that section. Tell me when you're there.
My hand's on it.
Am I at it?
Yeah.
Am I going into the bigger pipe?
Yeah, feels and sounds like it.
Yeah, you can put that back and then come back over here and hold the machine for me so I can pull the cable. Just hold the machine so I can pull back.
Oops. Sorry, Jack.
Actually.
You're gonna run water in there a little bit.
We'll try.
Is it wrenching or filling more? It's filling.
Of course, we'll grab the dryer one. Oh, I'm good anyway. Scared myself. I'll get it after I get the machine out.
It almost seems like someone drinking out of a straw.
I did it. We did it. We did it. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay.
I don't know why you're able to do it.
Because I'm the best.
I was gonna say, because you're good at what you do.
Because I learned from the best.
That just sounds like you're sucking up.
Maybe.
Did we get that everywhere? Or was that
No.
footsteps?
That was footsteps. I got some old drywall, but. Alright, you can unplug it. Just told her I needed it. So. Oh. That's the only bad part about paint not being here. I got it draining. So I tested it while my cable is still in there. It's draining 100%.
Yeah.
When I pulled back, it kind of went on the wall a little bit. But because it's the,
Yeah.
it's draining 100%. We can test it again before I leave.
Did you?
I felt it go in, and she felt it go into the bigger pipe. I felt where it reduced down as well. It did feel kind of tight in there, but it's draining fine now. And then when we run another thing
So
of
you
water
think it
through
cleaned some of that up?
Yeah, so the cable, I had to use the smaller cable because of the size pipe that's in there.
Yeah.
But it definitely scraped the inside of that pipe because it wasn't tight going through.
You guys know Tim, right?
Tim.
Kluge?
Yep.
Yeah, I used to work with him. That's how I got your number.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I see him all the time. I'm good friends with him.
Okay. Yeah, we know him. We do a lot of work for him, and we, kind of works both ways.
Yeah, he's the one that referred you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Now, are you, or is it your boyfriend or husband?
It's my husband and I, yeah.
Okay.
When Tim first met us, it was, we weren't married.
Oh, okay.
We just got married in January of this
Now,
year.
is he Portuguese?
He is. Full-blooded.
Yeah, so am I.
Yeah.
So are both of us, actually. But I seen the number come in yesterday on the house phone.
Robert Silva?
So I'm like, that's gotta be Portuguese.
Yeah, he is. He's full-blooded. His parents came over from the islands.
Yeah, so did we.
So.
Yeah. I was 3 when I came over.
Nice.
Yeah.
He was born here. He was born in Lowell, my husband.
Yeah, I grew up in Lowell. I probably know who he is.
You probably do.
How old is he?
He's 49 this year? Yeah,
so
49 this year. He was born in Lowell but raised in Tewksbury.
Oh, okay.
So,
you know, the most common Portuguese, there's like 800 million of them in Lowell.
They were right on the, right near the port. It's one of the main roads right off the highway. I can't think of the name of it.
Glum Street? Central Street?
It might have been Central?
Yeah, that's where all the Portuguese people are.
There was like a church a little bit down from his family's house. He showed me all of this.
Yeah, that's Central Street, yeah. Now, you guys from Nashua or Concord?
Nashua.
Oh, okay, because the number came in as Concord yesterday.
Yeah, so we're in Nashua.
Oh, okay.
Actually right down near Elm Street, junior high.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So we're right from over there. But yeah, it's just, I was born and raised here.
Here, what?
Nashua.
Nashua, oh, okay.
Yep.
Yeah, what I find weird though is, like I said, like every 3 or 4 weeks, throw a Drano down there,
Yep.
and that clears it up for a while, and then another 3 weeks go by, it makes a freaking mess. We'll throw a Drano in there, and then it's okay for a couple more weeks,
Right.
you know? So that's why I figured it was something blocking it or something.
Right. So years of use with the soap scum buildup on the inside of the pipe is just going to constrict it all
Oh, the other
down.
thing too is we had dogs.
Oh, yeah, the dog hair.
The
and-
dog here,
yeah.
right? So I know that, you know, could be a factor.
Definitely draining.
Yeah, right.
So, you're good there. Okay, guys, so we are finished with that one. Stay tuned for more amazing content, and we will see you later. Bye!